We have affiliate program number 1, which is Amazon. For those who don't know, Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate marketing programs out there by far. There are literally so many people promoting Amazon via affiliate links, especially people who own websites. So much, in fact, that the website platform Empire Flippers, which for those who don't know, is basically a platform that allows you to sell websites. I am going to cover this later on in the course, but Empire Flippers have a dedicated section just for Amazon affiliate websites, which, by the way, the Amazon affiliate program is referred to as Amazon Associates. So hopefully this gives you a good indication of just how large the Amazon affiliate program actually is. They used to have a really bad reputation for being about as clear as mud on their policies. They are sometimes hard to understand and hard to deal with. There are lots of reports about Amazon randomly banning people's accounts for literally no reason under the sun. However, in the recent years, they have seemed to go a lot better, which is why they are still featured on this list, which, by the way, is not in any particular order. So let's take a look at the sign-up process. To sign up to Amazon Associates, you need to go to this URL, which, by the way, don't worry, you don't have to type this out individually. I will include this in the resources as part of this course. Or alternatively, you can literally just go over to Google and carry out a search for Amazon affiliate sign up. And then the website you see at the top, once you click it, it will take you to the sign up page. Now, I was initially planning to actually sign up for all these platforms and record it and then talk through it. However, when thinking about it, that isn't the most valuable thing to see when you're watching a course, and also it's not the most fun thing to watch either. So instead of just making this course really long just for the sake of trying to make it long, I want to focus on giving you as much value as possible. So what I'll be doing is letting you know how difficult or how easy it is to sign up to the specific platform. So Amazon sign up process is pretty much straightforward. There are 4 options you have to go through in total. The first one is where you submit your account information, and that is basically information about you, your name, your address, all of that stuff right there, which, by the way, you will need an Amazon account to actually sign up to the Amazon Associates platform. So if you don't already have an Amazon account, then you will need to sign up first. And secondly, once you submit your account information, you then have to let Amazon know where you are going to be promoting their products. So you have to give them information on your website, your app. You also have to let them know how you plan on marketing your website and driving sales as well. And then once you go through your website and mobile app list, you are then going to enter in your profile information and start to generate your unique Amazon affiliate ID. Once you've done that, you can start using the Amazon Associate Central platform, which is what I'm going to show you now. But in a nutshell, the sign up process is pretty much straightforward. They do ask for more details on other platforms. For example, there are platforms out there where you literally just submit your account information. You don't even tell them how you plan to promote the links. And before step 1 and 2, right here, 1.5, I guess you could call it, you get access to all of the links. So Amazon isn't the shortest sign up process out there, but it's still not that bad whatsoever. You can pretty much get it done in a few minutes. Once you finish signing up, you will land in your Associates Central account, which will look pretty much like this. The layout may change a little bit as Amazon are known for changing the layout. However, this is pretty much the main dashboard of your Amazon affiliate accounts. What is also important to know is that once you get access to your account like this, it doesn't mean that your account is actually verified. As Amazon have a very convoluted way of actually verifying accounts, essentially what you need to do is sign up like this, get access to this account, start promoting the links on your blog, social media, email marketing list, wherever you plan to market those links. And then once you generated free sales, Amazon are then going to review your account and either accept or decline you. Now, as long as you don't do anything crazy, it's very unlikely you will actually get declined or banned from the platform. So as long as you are doing nothing crazy, you have nothing to worry about. However, it's always good to highlight that they work in a very convoluted way. I'm not sure why, but that is essentially just how they work. So I have signed up for a brand new Amazon Associates account, and that way I can literally show you everything in the dashboard without having to blur out sensitive information, such as my associate ID right here, Joshua George-21. As I've been there myself, I've bought a course, I've then watched the lectures, and literally half of the video is blurred out because it contains a person's information, and it's really hard to get any value from it. But essentially, this is a brand new Amazon affiliate account. Getting your tracking links to promote is very easy. Let's imagine you are making a website or you've got an email list related to wireless headphones, people who are interested in music and sound. You can literally scroll down here where it says quick links, search for a product, enter in whatever you want to get a link for. So go for wireless headphones, hit the go button. And now what Amazon will do is return a list of products that you can promote that are related to wireless headphones. So in this instance, you can see Amazon have found 29,031 products all related to wireless headphones. So as you probably already guessed, Amazon have so many products you can choose from, which is why it's such a good platform for beginners, because no matter what niche you operate in, whether it's wireless headphones or, fishing rods, for example, which is quite a small niche, or a lot more niche than wireless headphones, you could say. Fishing rods, you can see that Amazon returns still almost 20,000 products. Whatever your niche you operate in, it's very likely you can find a product on Amazon. In fact, I actually did a little bit of research before I made this video just to figure out how many products are actually on Amazon, and I was actually mind blown. There's more than 12 million products on Amazon. So again, Amazon have a massive product range, and it's very unlikely that you won't be able to find a product to promote. Now, once you've found a product to promote, what you want to do is you don't want to click this link right here, get link. It's much more easier just to click the drop down arrow, as that will give you your text link, which you'd insert behind a button or some text on your website or in your email marketing list. And once people click on this link, they will then get redirected to this product. And once they make a purchase, you will then earn a commission. Now, just to show you exactly how these work, if you actually can see this URL right here, it says HTTPS Amazon GB product, and we've got this what we call ASIN number, which is basically unique to Amazon. This part right here, for some reason, if I come off that, you can see if I don't highlight it. There we go. This part right here. Then we've got ref ASLI QF ASIN, and the part you want to look at the most is this part right here, where it says tag Joshua George 21. So if you remember when I showed you at the top of my Amazon account, that was my associate ID. So all of the links already include my associate ID, basically meaning Amazon can track all of these very, very easily. If you'd like to display some images, some banners, or some widgets on your website, instead of having your affiliate link behind a button or some hyperlink text, then what you should do is click this part of the button where it says get link. This will then take you to a dedicated page where you can get like images, widgets, and banners that you can add onto your website. You can actually play around with the colors of that as well. So if you're pretty creative, maybe better than Amazon, then feel free to change some of these colors to see if you start to generate better results and generate more clicks from your website. However, I'd always recommend leaving it exactly how it is instead of trying to make the image fit in with the theme of your website. In fact, the more these stand out, the better, as the more likely they are to generate clicks. You don't really want your affiliate links to blend in. So that's pretty much how you get affiliate links for products on Amazon. Very easy and very straightforward to do. So that is pretty much the two ways you can get Amazon affiliate links from the back end of the Associate Central. However, you can also grab a link directly from Amazon's search page. For example, I just typed in car toy and I found this listing on Amazon. And essentially what I can do is go to the top of the page, and you can see we have an Amazon Associates stripe right here. And you can see I have three different options. I can get a text link, a image, or a text and an image. So again, this is just Amazon making it really, really easy for affiliates. Let's say I want to get a text link. I just click text, a drop down then appears. Here is my link, which is already shortened for me, which is really nice. Or I can even go for a full link and then get the whole thing. It doesn't really matter which one you go for, as typically these links are going to be hidden behind buttons or hyperlink text anyway. So far we've covered the sign up process, how easy the platform is to use, and the range of products they have on offer. The last method, which I want to show you, where you can actually generate really cool affiliate links, is going to be back from the Associate Central. Now, if you go to product linking and then go link to any page, what this does, it gives you the option to link to literally a search page on Amazon that displays multiple products whilst your affiliate ID is still appended to the URL. So let me give you an example. If you go back to Amazon and I go for car toy, you can see there's literally tons of car toys on there. Instead of just having one product on your website and hoping the person likes that product, you can literally just have a link to the search page like this and have your affiliate ID appended in that. To do that, all you need to do is go back to the Seller Central, go to product linking, go to link to any page as I just showed. Then what you need to do is select the product line. So let's imagine you have a product or email list about books. You would go for books. You then select a subcategory. What is your book about? Maybe it's to do with food and drink. You can then name your link. So I'll call it books, food and drink search. Be good if I put a D on foods like so. Click get HTML and it will now generate a link which I can add onto my website or marketing material, and people will then land on a general search of Amazon. So to test that, you simply want to copy this part of the link. We want to take all of that and we want to go up to right here. I'm now going to Control C and then go over to my URL, paste that, and then carry out a search. Oh, I've copied the wrong stuff. It's copied the whole thing. So let's just tidy this up. So again, just to test it, essentially all we want is a HTTP part. We don't want any of this stuff. Now we can copy that, go back to our browser, and then carry out a search. And as you can see, it's brought me onto the search page of Amazon that is listing out all of the books related to food and drink. So far, we've covered the sign up process, how easy the platform is to use, the range of products they have to offer, and exactly how you can get those affiliate links. So let's move on to point 4 of my criteria, which is commissions and payments. So this is the commission structure for Amazon. This applies to the US and pretty much every other country that isn't in the EU, as Amazon actually have a different commission structure for the EU, which I'll go through very shortly. But essentially, if you were to promote any product to do with Amazon games or in the Amazon games category, you will get 20% commission on that purchase. However, in the example I just gave of the food and drinks books, you can see that if you choose to promote a book on Amazon, then the amount of commission you will actually receive is 4.5%. So a lot less than 20%. So when it comes to promoting links on Amazon, I strongly suggest you to focus on the product categories that have the highest commission rates. However, what you're going to find is typically no matter what link you promote on Amazon, whether you promote a television at 2%, people who shop on Amazon have a habit of buying other random things, so you can actually end up getting commissions for those products too. For example, if someone clicks your link in the TV category, ends up buying a TV, you will get 2% of that value. If that person then goes and buys maybe a toaster or a kettle as well, so something in the kitchen product category, you will also earn 4.5% on that commission too. So this is the commission for the US. I will include a link to this in the resources. As mentioned, Amazon have a different structure if you are in the EU. And you can see this is the structure pretty much here. If I zoom in, you can see that if someone buys one of your products in the home category, you will get a direct qualifying purchase of either 7 or 8%. The amount varies depending on how much the product costs, of what the customer actually purchased. And if that person then buys something else after in another category, instead of getting that exact direct qualifying commission, you actually get an indirect qualifying purchase, which is a standard of 1.5% across all of the product categories. Now, I'm not too sure why Amazon have a different commission structure for the EU in comparison to the US. So that's important to know, as if you are in the UK, for example, you may want to focus on creating an Amazon Associates account in the US and promoting US products instead of Amazon UK products. To confirm, you do not need to live in the US to create an Amazon Associates US account. So that covers the commission for Amazon. When it comes to payment, you need to have a minimum of $10 or 200 EGP. Once you reach that threshold in commissions, Amazon will then pay you. Commissions are paid by direct debit and happen roughly 60 days after the end of the month for which they are being paid. For example, if you generate commissions in April, you can see that you will get payment for April in June, which is 2 months later. Moving on to the final part of our review criteria, which is the pros and cons. So some of the biggest pros of Amazon is that they have a massive product range to choose from. It is very, very easy to use. It's probably one of the most easiest affiliate programs out there in terms of using it and navigating around your dashboard. On top of that, they have lots of cool tracking features as well, such as the link to a specific results search page in Amazon, as I just showed you. On top of the cool tracking features, the conversion rates are typically very high as well, as Amazon have a really good job of converting the traffic into customers. I don't know what it is, the colors, the pricing, the next day delivery, but typically when I end up on Amazon, I don't even know why I end up buying so much stuff that I don't even need. So Amazon conversion rates are really high, a lot higher than other affiliate marketing platforms. And of course, as Amazon have a massive product range, you can literally promote some really well-known brands, as there is so many big brands on Amazon these days. Another great thing about Amazon is that they have a very low payment threshold of just $10, so you don't have to wait months and months until you generate a certain threshold before you get paid. As I mentioned not too long ago, it's also very common to generate random sales as well, which if you're targeting the US can work out quite lucrative. Now moving over to the cons of Amazon, the first thing is that you require approval after you make your free sales. However, like I said at the start of the video, you shouldn't have anything to worry about if you are not doing anything dodgy. The second con of Amazon is that support is not the best. Sometimes you'll ask support a question and they'll literally give you advice which contradicts what is listed in the Amazon terms and conditions, so you're not sure what to do. And the third and final con of Amazon is that they have a 24-hour cookie policy. So if you haven't already, I do advise you check out the affiliate marketing glossary, as that contains a list of all of the key affiliate marketing terms within the industry, such as what a cookie is. So if you haven't already checked that out, I highly recommend you do so. But essentially what a 24-hour cookie means is that once people click your link, they just have 24 hours to make the purchase. If they make a purchase, 25 hours or 26 hours, you will not get the credit and you'll not get a commission. So it's basically the window slot of opportunity that you have to convert that traffic into a sale. So finally, what is my verdict on Amazon? Well, I believe that Amazon is absolutely great for beginners due to the large selection of products to choose from. There are literally millions and millions of products. The only downside about Amazon is the low commissions they pay per sale. We were seeing commissions of 2%, 2.5%, which isn't high by any means whatsoever. I'm going to show you lots of other programs which have much higher commissions. So all this means is that if you do proceed with Amazon, you will need to generate lots of sales to make a good amount of money. So that brings us to the end of this video. We have gone through Amazon from A to Z. It's been really comprehensive, and I'll see you in the next one where we're going to be doing exactly the same thing.